Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 2 from Programming Application Mobile Project. We're in the class 2023 International class. In here, we would like to present our final product of Programming Application Mobile, which is Pintar Repair. Firstly, we would like to give our greatest thanks to our lecturer, Ma'am Anita and Mr. Nanang, for giving us the most reliable lesson and materials throughout our journey in this semester for us to make this application go to Play Store launching. Next slide, please. In our team, there is 5 members, which is me, myself, Duyogo Wicaksana, with the name of 230-814-94202, Gaza Prakasa, with the name of 230-814-94228, Hudan Maulana Abdurrahim, with the name of 230-814-94145, Muhammad Arif Fadil, 230-814-94330, and lastly Jeremy Hosanna Nathaniel van Christian Kruse with the name of 230-814-94254. Next slide, please. Okay, so for the table of contribution of our contribution in this project is as seen as the screen itself, which is contains what do we do in this project of Pintar Repair application from programming mobile application subjects. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, for table of the content, firstly, our team definition, upname and objective, the benefit of the application itself, potential income, target market, main feature, supporting, and other things. Next page. Okay, so firstly, what is Pintar Repair? Pintar Repair is an Android-based mobile application designed to streamline and modernize the process of repairing smartphones and laptops as a digital solution to traditional repair service. Pintar Repair connects user with certified technician and partner repair shop, offering convenient, transparent, and user-friendly experience. The app allows users to select their device type and repair needs, receive real-time costs and time estimates, place safe service order, and choose between in-store drop-off or pick-up and delivery option. It also features real-time repair tracking, secure payment integration, and direct communication with technician via WhatsApp, ensuring full visibility and trust throughout the service process. Developed by Group 2, which is our group, from Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Pintar Repairs aim to bring efficiency, reliability, and accessibility to device maintenance for student, professional, and general consumer in urban and semi-urban areas. In the left screen, we can see our logo from Pintar Repair. Next slide, please. Okay, our objective. The target of our application is as seen in this screen, which is enhance service convenience. So we bridge the internet, the user from internet to the technician that reliable with their certification of technician, and then to optimize diagnostic and consultation processes as a third party and integrate pickup and delivery service. And lastly, we ensure transparency and real-time tracking through the whole process of service. Next slide. Okay, the benefit. What do we give? So, our application is targeted to save time and reduce travel costs because uh, obviously we provide some courier traffic for saving time. We provide a clear real-time updates on repair status. And lastly, we offer convenience and flexibility of service option that been given with many technicians. Next slide. Okay, for the target market and business potential. The income from service, we make each service transaction provides a profit margin, including additional charge if user approve extra service or hardware. We integrate the shipping and logistic, collaborate with shipping service provider to obtain special rates or commission from device deliveries. And lastly, we partner with technician and repair shop to potentially earn commission from transaction and conduct by a trusted service partner that can be our main selling point. That said, user in area with access limited repair shop that have been given like 25%, individual in need and smart in need of smartphone and laptop repairs, customer seeking transparency and convenience, and lastly technician and repair shop. So we are bridging along with the user and the repair shop and the technician, so they have their own market and new place to sell their self, their skill. Next slide please. Okay, this is our user flow, which is from the start of application, there is the registration page that can be uh, filled to be the first user. And then there is a login, which is the registration account that we input, and then we input it in login page 2. And then there is a service line selection because we don't only provide on Android or laptop separately, but we do them both. So there is a service selection. And then there is a selection of whether the user is wanting an expedition or in-store pickup. If the user want in-store pickup, the system will provide the company address, so the technician address, so the user can go to the technician location. And then for the expedition, we will integrate it with expedition, with expedition service. So the user need to input their address itself. And then user choose a detailed service from what they need, whether it is a smartphone or their laptop. And then the system will give the cost and time estimation from that. If the user agree to the fee, the confirmation and payment will be shown. If yes, if the user didn't agree about the cost and time estimation, the process will be cancelled and the user will be going to the previous page, which is the cost and time estimation. If the user is doing yes and confirm the payment, there will be a payment method page, which is divided to GoPay or bank transfer payment. And the payment finish, and then the order will be saved in our database, which is an order ID that can be tracked in the application that is um, ordering tracking. And workmanship status tracking will be start from there. And lastly, the finish and execution, which is whether the technician have repaired or not, and then etc. Lasting into the payment and the laptop or Android being finished. Okay, for the next slide will be guided by my friend, which is Gaza Prakasa. The time is yours.
Okay, thank you so much, Dewey. And I'm gonna explain about our main feature. We have our three main feature for our apps. So let's start with our seamless service order. We know like how valuable is the time of our customer. So that's why we design a simple and fast ordering process with two flexible options. As you can see in the PowerPoint, you can drop off your device in store or choose the convenience of shipping. No more complicated forms or long queues, just quick hassle-free service for you. Okay, and second, our main feature is service cost and work time estimation. The moment our customer is select the device type and the service that they need, our system will instantly calculate first the estimated repair cost and the duration of the service. This gives our customer clarity and confidence in planning our customer schedule and budget for the service. Third, we also provide a real-time order tracking, which once our customer is order is placed, they will gain access to a live tracking system, allowing our customer to monitor their device repair progress every step of the way until it's done. Because transparency is our priority, and this system gonna keeps our customers in control. So now let's dive into our key feature and of our platform Pintar Repair, which is device specific services. We offer a specialized repair solution tailored to different service. First is smartphone. We can replace LCD replacement, camera repair, CPU rebuilding, and etc. For laptop, we have RAM upgrade, storage upgrade, LCD replacement, and thermal paste reapplication for cooling system. As you can see in the below working time projection, this varies based on the type of service, with rebuilding CPUs being the most time intensive and thermal paste replacement being the quickest. This is our final design for UI UX of Pintar Repair apps. So as you can see, we have our menu page, and also we have two service option. As you can see, we have two option: delivery and in-store pickup. And also we have estimation summary for how much cost our service of the customer gonna be. Next is our login page. We have where we put our email and we put our name and password, our profile page, and help page. This is our GoPay page where you can finalize the payment. This is about Pinta Repair page. This is payment summary. And that's it for our UI UX Pinta Repair final apps design. Okay, next Pfizer release gonna be explained by my friend Sudan.
Okay, thank you very much, Gaza. Can we go to the next slide, please? Okay, in this slide, in this few slide, I will explain about how do we upload our apps into the Play Store, And in the end of the chapter, there will be a proof of uh, our early access app in the Play Store, which is only included to the person who is included to their email. So to upload our programs into Play Store console, step one, we absolutely need to create the app, fill in the app details according to the app you want to upload. And then step two will be filling the privacy policy and add link for our privacy policy document, usually using Google Docs. And the third, that was the dashboard of Google Play Console. And then going to the next step, which is app access. So we will give the Google Play the app access so they can review our app. And then step five, back to the dashboard, we will choose the ads session or the ads questionnaire, and we will fill them with no options. So we state that my app does not contain any ads because our app, yes, absolutely doesn't contain any ads. Next, please. Yes, for the next steps, we will follow instructions for content rating. Just fill up the questionnaire. Step 7, government apps. This steps is check if your apps is developed by government, which is no. Our app is not developed by government. Step 8, choose target audience and content. In this target, in this questionnaire, we will get questions if our our content in the app is matched to some uh, audience target like age and kind of that. And step 9 is the summary of the uh, app access. And then step 10, fill the data safety questionnaire. So in this part, we will having a questionnaire that asks us about how was the data safety, like do we collect data from our user, or maybe like is the user can remove the data inside the apps and other like that. And then coming up to the next step, which is step 11, data collection safety. So we will choose no because our app doesn't collect or share any required user data types. Step 12, we'll be choosing the financial feature. Just follow the instructions inside the financial feature. Step 13, because we don't required to submit any additional documentations, just save this whole financial feature. Step 14, health apps, because we don't include as a health app that doesn't have health feature. So we click to the last options directly. Step 15, fill every questionnaire store settings, questions, and hit save. Step 16, if you're done with your store listing, then the display like shown above, it will be appear in your Google Play console making app process. Step 17, apply about where's your app will be spreaded on countries and religions. So in our case, our countries is Indonesia, the religions is all religion in Indonesia. Step 18, create a closed testing release. So this is like the early access. So in here we need to invite uh, our friend or person who we ask to test this app. So that will be continued to the step 19, which is you have to invite 12 person to try out your app. so you can release it officially on Play Store, aka not an early access app. Next, please. So this is a proof of our Play Store release early access on 10th month 6 and year 2025. Next, please. Okay, for the next will be explained by my friend.
Okay, hello, my name is Jeremy and I'm gonna show you the app demonstration. Okay, next please. So this is the sign up and sign in feature. Can you guys show? Okay, so first sign up and then put the username and password that you already sign up to. So when sign up is already doing great, so you can just okay guys next please. And the sign up doing good, and then yeah, you can just go to the main feature like this. Also we have multiple payment feature. You can pay up a lot of ways. Next. Okay, so the next is partnership feature. Okay, next. And then the next is order tracking feature. Okay, next. And so this is the map feature. All right, nice. Next. Okay, Gmap feature. The Gmap feature will be explained by my friend Arik. So let's go, Arik. Time is yours.
Thank you so much, Jeremy, for the opportunity. First of all, let me make sure my voice clear enough, guys. Okay. Okay. Let's just start. Can you go to the next slide, please, guys? Wait a second. Okay. Oh, hold on. Back to previous slide. Let me explain a bit. So I will explain how we implemented the Google Maps feature in our Android application using Android Studio. So basically, Google Maps allows users to visually locate the repair shop within our within our app. To make this work, there are a few important steps. First, we need to install Google Play Service SDK. Second, we must add the necessary dependencies. And the third one is we must register our app to get an API key. And finally, we'll add the permissions and map setup code in our project. Let's go step by step. Can you go to the next one, Gaza? Next. Okay, so step one is to obtain the Google Maps API key, which authorize our app to use Google Maps. Here's how to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the steps to get the API key. The first one is you have to go to Google Cloud Console, and second step is create a new project or select an existing one, which is we create a new one. The third one is navigate to API and services and go to the library. The fourth step is search and enable Maps SDK for Android. And the fifth step is then go to the API service, go to the credential menus. The sixth step is click on create credentials and then go to the API key. Copy the API key, and then we will use the API key in our Android projects to enable map access. Go to the next one, please, Gaza. Okay, so before coding, we need to make sure that the Google Play Service SDK is installed in Android Studio. So I'm gonna give you the step Play Service SDK. The first one is, of course, open Android Studio, and then the second one is go to Tools and go to the SDK Managers. The third step is to select the SDK Tools tab, and the fourth step is check Google Play Services, and the fifth step is click Apply or OK and wait for installations. Without this SDK, our project won't recognize the maps classes or API. Okay, can you go to the next one, Gaza? Okay, so now that we have the SDK, we need to add the required libraries to the app's build Gradle file. So there is as you can see, there are 4 codes, implementation, all the implementations. You have to add it to the dependencies on the build Gradle app. So after adding this, we click sync now at the top of Android Studio. This will download all the dependencies and make the classes available in our project. Okay, go to the next one, Gaza. Okay, displaying map and adding permissions. Now let's display the map and give the app permissions to access user location. As you can see right there, uses permission Android name, Android permission access network. That means that give the maps permission to access network, and the second permission is to access internet, and the third permission is to access course location, and the fourth permission is to access file location, and the last permission is to write external storage. Step 2, add API key to application tab. We don't have the screenshot right here, but if you go to manifest.xml or something like that, it under the application you add metadata Android name com.google.android.go.api underscore key, and then Android value is our API key. This step links your Google API key to the applications. Without this metadata, the map will appear blank. Okay, to the next one, Gaza, please. Okay, so this is how we change the location coordinates, or how we set up the location of our store. Okay. So as you can see right here, there is override at the coding override. We start from there. The codes. Okay. Let me make it detailed. Override public void and blah 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 until the what is that? Okay, it kind of blur, but from override until the end, the code does 3 things. The first one is analyzes the Google map, and the second one is place a marker at the location.
for example, is our store, and the third one is zooms in the map to level 14 so users can see it clearly. You can update the coordinates to match your own shop or business locations. Okay, next one. Okay, to that concludes our technical explanation for Google Map integration. By following these steps, we made it possibly for users to visually locate our repair shop, improving trust and ease of navigations. Okay, thank you for your attentions. Maybe I will give it back to Dwi for closing it the presentations. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you everyone, my friend Gaza, Arik, Jeremy, and Hudan for presenting our final project of programming application mobile that we have created, which is a Pintar repair application. We hope that our application can um, make the vision of our group, which is to connect user to technician or repair shop more easily and efficient, can be a big the next big things. This is our just prototype. We're just doing testing and implement what we learn from the programming application mobile subject in this fourth semester of digital business study program. I think that's all from our group. That concludes our application and our final project for programming application mobile. Uh, Secondly, we would like to thank you again for our lecturer, Ma'am Anita and Mr. Nanang, for guiding us through the program application mobile development subject so that we can better make our vision one step ahead to realization. Okay, I think that's it. That's it. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next semester. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, everyone.